Hey guys, today on BleepinJeep, we're taking the FC out.
This is nuts! This is the farthest now that I've driven from the house in the FC. So we're gonna have to get up to speed here in a little bit. We'll see how that goes. It's kind of leany. It's quite leany. Top heavy.
Why you got that ATF in your hand?
Colt asked me if I filled all the fluids, and I was like, yeah, I checked all the fluids. And then I remembered, did I check the transfer case? I don't remember. But we don't have an Allen head to check it, so I bought this in case we can find somebody with one.
Hopefully somebody's got an Allen. Are the brakes still braking?
Brakes are still braking so far.
The gas is still gassing?
Gas still gassing.
Alright, well that's what I care about as your passenger. Good thing somebody's got tools.
Nothing like wrenching in the parking lot. Yep. You can get there.
Alright, so we're at Windrock. Ran into some fellow Jeepers.
They want to go to Panther Rock. They were kind enough to lend us some tools because we come prepared.
So we're going to take them to Panther Rock via Trail 2, which is a pretty decent off-road trail. Sounds like drums.
Yeah, we got a beating drum in here.
The bed sounds like drums.
Just so everybody knows, okay, something happens. I said, let's take the pavement, main dirt road up to the overlook.
What can I say? I like adventure.
He likes to show off and then he just leaves me. Can I have a ride?
Sure.
Matt?
I don't know what I got us into, but it's a tight squeeze. This is the funny part, watching him get in. So this is our inclinometer right here. And then the gas pedal is a little tricky on this stuff. It's like, just because the way it's made.
Yeah, it's a little tight over there.
It sticks right at the beginning, so it's like you got to give it a little bit of gas before it finally takes off.
That looks pretty good.
Here's our first rock course.
Weird sitting on top of your tires.
It's like we're sitting on the front bumper, basically.
Dang.
Oh yeah.
The inclinometer's all over the place.
Okay, this is the gnarly section. Oh dang! This is supposed to be a gravel 10. What the heck? Lockers. Lockers.
Passenger. Turn passenger. There you go.
That was a legitimate, like, rock crawl right there. An FC that's completely untested. Super sketch. Hey, but the lockers worked. How cool is that? Oh. They're all good though. Right up that sucker.
Yeah.
Or should I say he? I don't think this thing is a she, considering it's got two danglies right there. I've never had a he.
A he? A he? Nobody ever names their vehicle he. Why is that? Why does nobody ever name their vehicle a he?
It's just not pretty enough for a she, I don't think.
Good job.
Thank you.
Good job. Is that the front drive shaft?
I wonder if the wheel is coming loose.
Guess we better take a looky, Lou. Sounded like your side to me. Oh yeah, that wheel's loose. I can see it.
Oh yeah?
Who torqued those down before the ride?
They were
Obviously
tight.
nobody.
I remember torquing them.
Keep going. Hold on. Okay. I'm gonna check the rest.
Yeah.
Watch the cab. Ooh, I bet that felt weird.
You're good. You're good. Nice and easy.
Is this your man purse? Did you make this for this?
That's my
satchel?
my Pop-Tart holder.
What?
Yeah.
There's Pop-Tarts in here. Sweet. Thought you almost died on me. So one of the things I noticed riding with you in this is your angle of view is way good. What do you think? Like, I mean, this is like rock buggy rear engine type visual ability.
Yeah, there's a 360 degree view because of all the glass. So there's glass pretty much surrounding you. So check it out. And then you can see your tire by looking out the window. It's right under you.
Yeah, you can see what you're about to drive off well before, or drive on, well before you even get anywhere near your front of your tire. You think one of these would make a good rock crawler?
No. Colt's already hit his head once. It's a little tight in here.
I don't think I'd like the feeling of being way up high like we are either.
Well, you're up in the trees too, so the trees are constantly coming through, smacking you in the face. It's hot in here. The pedal is a little wonky, but I don't know. Definitely not a cool, comforting ride. Yeah. It's not comfortable, let's say that.
It's a little bit rough.
Oh crap, bumps.
Is this the unofficial nut and bolt check?
Yeah, if everything makes it through this gravel road, then we've done it right. Hope the wheels stay on. That's always the worst. If you could catch one on. Oh, got one.
Got him. You're welcome. Oh, got another one. Say hi, Matt.
Ah, this is nuts.
So quiet. Well, while we're waiting for the arrow lids, guys, should we take a Pop-Tart break?
I'm down with that.
So when they first came out with s'mores Pop-Tarts, I don't know if they go bad, but I had one sitting on my dashboard for a while, and one day I got hungry. I pulled it out and ate it. It was in like 5 minutes. It wasn't gonna stay in there. But I'll tell you this, if you feel like you're getting ready to throw up, I would suggest eating s'mores chocolate Pop-Tarts, because it tasted just like the Pop-Tart on the second round.
Alright, we're at the top of where Panther Rock goes down, but once you get down there it's all uphill and there's a rainstorm coming in. You forgot to mention that part.
Oh yeah, did forget to mention the rainstorm.
But it's gnarly coming back out of here. Everybody goes down in here and then can't get back up out of it if it's wet, but we're checking it out right now. Yeet, yeet.
Ooh-wee.
Almost hit the cab.
I think it's time to scope out the next section.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did I hit it? I hit something back there. Maybe the log broke.
Yeah. We're here in the deep dark jungle and we found ourselves an FC.
Very tight up in here. This is where a lot of people get messed up in here. Let's hope that rain doesn't come.
Found him.
Yeah, he's dead.
Dead in a tree. We're gonna sell them off one hair at a time on eBay. Oops. So, if I can get that, and I can push this.
We had a little boo-boo.
If I can get this in, there we go. Did I get it? I may have got that. Just not all the way, but I think I have it sitting.
Power steering box.
I may be winning.
Gave
here.
up the ghost here.
Yeah, I think I'm winning.
Just the seal. It blew out the seal. You getting it? Did it get started back in there?
Well, I got it started. I got to get it somehow. I got to get something in there that I can push way up to get it up into that sector shaft up there. But
we're sealing this sucker up good now.
electrically,
Electrically. All the electrons will stay right in place.
Did that funnel come from this?
I only need 150
Yeah.
grand left.
I found it in the bed or in the back somewhere, but I don't know. We're gonna find out. It won't even go through this screen. There's a screen in the bottom of this funnel.
Oh, that's
Pump them up. There we go.
Locked. There's no steering.
That felt horrible. That felt absolutely horrible. This is like the. Come up to the cab.
My arm can touch the ground. Hope we're going the right way.
It's like trying to drive a school bus through a tunnel or something. We made it.
Without dying. Almost.
Almost dying.
Well, we're not down the mountain yet. We still have to go through some switchbacks.
Look at that forearm pump. But heck, we had a good time. Got it out, tested it out, found a few of the weaknesses, a few of the flaws. Like a lot of good stuff though. Man, this thing works a lot better than I thought.
Yeah, it works good.
We gotta,
Just a little sketchy.
gotta thank our friends at Aerolids for coming out and riding with us and supplying some tools because we don't come prepared.
Yeah, thanks for helping us out, guys.
If you like this video, check these ones out. Forearm pump. I'm looking at all the veins. Look at all them veins, son. Are you juicing, Matt?
Yeah. See that?